What's your name?
Alan.
Alan.
Yeah.
Alan from Singapore. We have Alan from Singapore. From the starting entry वे इतने जैम दिख रहे हैं. But शादी चल रही है amazing. So hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we are finished here. The meeting is over almost. So now we are planning to go to the pearl market because in Sri Lanka pearls are very genuine and real. Real pearls are available here. So we'll go and explore the market. How's the market? तो आपको भी मैं दिखाता हूँ मार्केट कैसी है, क्या क्या अवेलेबल है वहाँ पे और प्राइसेस थोड़ा बहुत देखूँगा. अगर पॉसिबल हुआ तो अंदर भी शूट कर लेंगे थोड़ा बहुत. बाकी अभी निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से. हमारी बस है आगे एयरपोर्ट के लिए अराउंड 7:30. सो वी हैव अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 hours. So let's explore the market around here and then say goodbye to Sri Lanka. It's been a wonderful experience. The weather is amazing and it is cheap also, not too much costly. Flag ceremony is happening here. I think they'll pull down the flag now in the evening time. So they are standing here from last 10 minutes. They are standing near the pole and they have started the pulling the flag. अब इसे उतार के ये फोल्ड करके अच्छे से रख लेंगे. Guys, we are going to Gem Bureau. This gentleman is taking us. 500 is okay, man.
President na chale.
500 is more.
It's okay, boss.
1.1.
We'll pay. We are fine.
पता कि ये 2 किलोमीटर
We want to help our friend.
है पर 1 किलोमीटर ही है.
Yeah, because this is
one way yes.
India is Sri Lanka friends.
So,
China Sri Lanka is not good friend.
they are celebrating their Independence Day. The preparation has been started. अब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जितनी भी मार्केट लगनी है वो सारा लग चुका होगा. वो सारा लग चुका होगा. बाकी ये वो बीच जो हमने कल बताया था. China is building this man-made beach. Man-made island, sorry. तो अभी इंडिपेंडेंस डे करके रोड ब्लॉक हैं तो इन्होंने अलग से साइड से रोड निकाल रखे हैं. अभी कभी वन वे ट्रैफिक कर रहे हैं कहीं से. और ये जैसे मेन हाईवे था दैट वाज वन वे. तो यहाँ से एक अल्टरनेट रूट दिया है छोटा सा. तो अब यहाँ से घूम के जाना पड़ेगा हमें. अगर हम स्ट्रेट उस रोड से जाते तो इट वाज 1.5 किलोमीटर. बट बाय दिस रोड इट इज़ अराउंड 3 किलोमीटर.
4 रत्ती है.
Arrived at Gem Bureau. Let's see if we are allowed to shoot inside or not. From the starting entry वे इतने जेम दिख रहे हैं बड़े बड़े से. So this is the place. Lot of stones, lot of gems. So please surprise. 22-27. Make a video. The weather is amazing, guys. The weather drastically changed into black. It's turning reddish to black. गाइस अभी तक तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोलंबो बहुत ही छोटा सा शहर है, बट व्हेन वी आर रोमिंग इन द सिटी इट सीम्स टू बी अ क्वाइट बिग प्लेस. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द ambience is amazing. The weather, the first and the foremost thing, what makes this place more beautiful is its weather. Its weather and its cleanness in the ground.
Going to the supermarket right now.
We are going to see, let's see the supermarket. And this gentleman, he is a very good man, and he told me about few things around here. What's happening? Everything is costing too much. We went here for the chips. The chips was costing 1800 rupees, Sri Lankan rupees. So it is quite costly. And he is also troubled by the local government because the government is collecting tax. Maybe because they might have to pay it somewhere else. So say hi uncle to my friend.
Okay.
Say bye. Guys, I am exploring. यहाँ पे अकेले घूमने का मज़ा ही अलग है. When you are with your friends or colleagues, you might get distracted, but when you are traveling solo, it's amazing. I think the best way to travel is travel alone. Try to travel alone. And Sri Lanka is an amazing place. Amazing place. मैं तो भाई पूरा फैन बन चुका हूँ श्रीलंका का, just because of the cleanness over here and everything is so serene, calm, and you can do whatever you want. It's cheap, but not in terms of the food. In terms of food, खाना यहाँ पे बहुत महंगा है. नॉर्मल से चिप्स का पैकेट, अभी मैंने आपको पहले बताया ही था जब हम सुपरमार्केट में गए, सुपरमार्केट में नॉर्मल सा चिप्स का पैकेट 1800 लंकन रुपीज़ में था. सो ट्राई टू फाइंड लोकल वेंडर्स और लोकल स्ट्रीट्स, लोकल शॉप्स. You'll get everything in a very economic way. Guys, Indian kitchens are also available here, so you can have Indian food also. But I'm not sure how authentic it is because we are eating in the Taj Samudra only. Like we are back at our hotel. The bus is there. This bus will leave to Mumbai, and after this bus our bus is coming, so we'll sit in the bus. शादी चल रही है, amazing. We are leaving for the airport. We'll update you what happens next. So guys, we are in the queue to check in. We are in the foreigner lines because we are foreigner over here. Guys, we are done with the check-in. We have given our luggage. It's the time for the last security check-in. Let's see.
Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Alan.
Alan. Alan from Singapore. We have Alan from Singapore.
I'm Robin from the Netherlands.
He is from Netherlands. What is his name?
Robin.
Robian. Robian from Netherlands. We met here in the zone. So it's great to meet.
flight home, huh?
Yeah, I'll do the safe flight.
It's raining now.
So guys, my flight is around 12 o'clock. So we are exploring this place. So guys, I met this guy. His name is
Sandrua.
Sangru
One.
Sangru One. He's Sangru One, and he's a localite over here. And he's a nice person. You must visit this counter. I can't tell you, but it is in the airport.
Transit area.
Transit area. Yes. You should visit the transit area. This is the real guy, and he's quite engaging, and he won't let you feel like you are from the outside. He has treated me like I'm from here only. So I have suggested him something which I can't disclose on this vlog.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Important thing.
Yeah, I can't disclose it, but he resonates with my feelings.
गेट से बाद में रोटी खाना कि नहीं
तो
खाना
गेट ते की करूँगा?
ठंडा लेना ਉੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ
मैं टॉयलेट जाके आया. तुसी कित्थे जा रहे हो? बर्गर किंग के आगे. रेट पता करो. So guys, we are leaving from Sri Lanka. It's raining here. I don't know what would be the flight situation right now, but I'm hoping, finger are crossed, that we should have a safe. So we are exiting from the bus and directly entering into the outside. This is our flight. Guys, when we arrived to Sri Lanka, we got screen over here, but in this flight there is no screen, only blackboard, and the leg space is also very less. And the weather condition is like this. So let's hope there won't be much turbulence. Delhi airport. Now we are going to collect our luggage and going to get our stamps ready. Time is approximately 4:30. So we have landed on time. Let's see. Now I have to book a cab and go to Gurgaon and end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. Channel पे नए हो तो do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.